Ladies and gentlemen, here we are, part 2 of the Great Cross Country Guitar Swap. Finally coming at you. My buddy Kyle from Bearded Cat Guitar has sent me this guitar, and I have recruited Daryl.
That's me.
To help me get this thing unboxed, because I'm new to unboxing things. Daryl, you ever opened a box before?
Oh yes.
You got any idea of how to open this one?
Stand back. I got this.
Alright, let's get this thing open.
Yeah, let's destroy this bit.
Oh. Never mind. Alright, just kidding.
Yeah. It's all a dream.
Yeah, this is the real unboxing. So, yeah, we went back in time to do this. Or something.
Yeah.
Now, you know Kyle, right? Slightly.
Slightly.
Through Facebook.
Yep.
Kyle's in a Facebook bro. He said he did some arts and crafts in here. So, can't wait to see what he did. I know he used a lot of solder. Apparently. We might need that knife. Oh, wait.
Maybe not. Alright, there's our first gift.
We might need that knife again. Also, this box is small, so that it was cheaper to ship. So, he has broken down the guitar
I'm guessing that's the neck.
into a body and neck. This might be the body. That's kind of heavy. Well, this might be both, and that might be his art project.
Hey, no.
Okay,
Hold on.
let's do the art project first. Let's see what else we got.
See which one's in there. Hey.
Hey, it's a note. I don't know if I should read this on air or not. Daryl's going to keep exploring. I'm going to try to read Kyle's handwriting. I got punched in the face.
Nice. Don't know what that is. Looks nice though.
And yeah, I'm not going to read his letter on there, but it does say, "Rock on, brother. Let's finally get this project going." I appreciate that. P.S. Small box inside. Alright.
Aha!
I think Daryl's trapped.
Almost got it. Something here at the bottom.
Thank you, Kyle. I appreciate the letter. It's nice knowing you too, my friend.
Yep. There it is. I got it.
Look at that. These are the neck screws. Well done.
That's it. The rest of it's just peanuts.
Okay, let's go with the little box first. I think he said that's the art project.
This is the smaller one.
Alright. We're going to bust out the other camera here because you guys aren't going to see anything on that one.
Alright, let's see. Can I open it that way? Alright. Ooh. Whatever it feels interesting. Like I'm going to break it.
Let's put it on the on top of the thing here.
Alright. Okay, put the nut down.
For the unveil.
So far pretty interesting.
So it's backwards, I think, but I can kind of tell what it is. Let's just flip it over.
Ready?
Yeah.
Da 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 da.
Wow, dude, that is sick. Check this out. Let's go to the main cam with that.
Bam.
Look at that, guys. Camera section.
Yeah, trying to get it out of the shadow. For the video.
That is amazing.
And on the back side, you know, just so everybody can see, you know, you put a lot of everything into it. I like the solder on it. That's really nice. Did a good
Yeah.
job.
That's amazing.
Good
I'm
soldering
impressed
job.
with that. And I can pull off some of this solder and I can use it for my own projects.
Yeah. And then, you know, he'd give you some strings too, you know.
I think this is like maybe a brass wire with the solder that's holding it. Very cool. Yeah, and guitar strings. Yeah, you're
Well,
right.
here, that's yours.
These are guitar strings. Kyle, this kicks the shit out of the extra piece I put in your box, just to let you know. Thanks, man. This is awesome. This is going up in the studio. You guys will see it in the background.
Which again, if you want to see what Richard sent, definitely go.
Speaking of things in the background, what's this? What is this? You don't know? You don't know what this is yet?
I don't know what that is. Anyway.
Okay. Now we have the important part. Let's find out what guitar Kyle sent. You wanna do the honors?
Yeah, sure.
And I'll hold the handy cam again. It's the cam you use when giving handy.
Never know. Let's see here.
Perhaps later.
3 hours later. Let's see here. Do that. Okay.
So I've seen, he sent me photos of this guitar.
It's got a lot of.
Lay it down.
I know, it's got a. He secured it really well with
Peanuts. Kyle, you son of a bitch.
Oh
Back
my.
with peanuts.
It's going to go everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay it out.
Alright, we'll have to clean them up.
Oh yeah. Trying my best not to let it go everywhere.
Peanuts. It's like hot-boiled peanuts in your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, peanuts.
Yeah, hot-boiled peanuts. What do you think of that? Hot-boiled peanuts
So you still got
in your
that?
mouth. Alright.
Here we go.
So I know what the guitar is, but it never, compares to meeting it and seeing it in real life, right?
Hold on.
I know it's not going to have strings on it.
Look at the body.
Look at that. This guy is purple. Yes.
Got some extra screw there.
Yeah. Sweet.
See what the back side looks like.
Oh, man.
Oh, little scratch there, little scratch there, no biggie.
So Kyle lives next to this pawn shop, and I specifically asked. He sent me a bunch of guitars. Oh look, it's one of the bridge pieces. That's what I have.
Oh, nice.
He sent me a bunch of guitars that were at this pawn shop, and he ended up trading for one of them. So
Really?
this is the one I said, hey man, if you're gonna trade for one that you want to swap with me, let's get this purple guitar. My girl loves purple, and I already have an idea for it.
The grimace.
Daryl's gonna open this thing. I gotta go look at something.
Alright, there's the neck. Wow. The neck looks like it's in great shape.
It's a maple neck too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
It's in really nice shape. Let's do the Richard. There we go. Yeah.
Maple fretboard. I love maple fretboards.
Tuners are all nice, and oh, that one shakes a little bit. That one shakes a little bit. Just two.
That's alright, those can be tightened
Yeah.
down. Well here, grab this and
Yeah, that's all it needs is tighten.
film the body real quick while I do this.
Okay. I'm gonna shove the neck down in here.
So what I'm doing right now, I have special plans for this project, right? So I have an idea. As soon as you said purple guitar, I had an idea. So if you look at my shirt, it might be hard to see. It's Fat Bat and Blobbin, right? Batman and Robin, I guess. So when you think of purple, to me, the Joker comes to mind from Batman. Batman is one of my favorite comic book heroes. And so when I saw this, I was like, wouldn't it be cool to make a Joker guitar? but not in a stupid, cheesy kind of way. But it's gonna be kind of cheesy.
Like throwing stickers on it?
Yeah, we're not gonna sticker bomb it. So, hey, look, you can see my head over there.
Sticker bomb.
So he said there was some strings stuck in there. I told him that's no big deal. I have plenty of experience getting strings out of crappy old Squire bridges. So I will say this is a Squire Affinity, which is
You got that one and
one of my
that one right there,
preferred.
I think. Or no, that one. I think just that one.
The Affinity is one of my preferred Squires. Like I like the Affinities and the Standards. I like the Standards first, then the Affinities. So let's go ahead, pull out this ground cable. I know this is sacrilege. I'm replacing all these electronics, and I'm replacing the fit guard. So, Joker guitar. So check this out. I found this Mira green fit guard on the eBays, and I had to get it, and just knew it would be what is going on this guitar. Look at that.
Looks sick.
Joker all day long. Let's see if the holes line up remotely well.
They look pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty good.
So this is just a preview for you guys, you know, to kind of see what we're dealing with, see what the idea is. Will that one line up?
The only thing that doesn't seem to line up. Oh, no, it does. Okay, never mind. That was just a shadow. It looked like it didn't line up, but it's good.
Well, that one will line up.
It's good.
There. But yeah, so I actually have those cat behind me. So check it out. Joker fender. That's gonna be ridiculous. We got the neck.
Mm-hmm.
You can cut that camera.
There you go.
So this is just a little preview. That's gonna be ridiculous. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And to make it more ridiculous, hey look, I'm gonna have to remove some wood there. See
Yeah.
that? To make it more ridiculous, I have a set of EMGs that came out of a Ibanez that are gonna go in there. And I actually have a collar bridge, an old school collar bridge that's gonna go on. So very
Nice.
cool. Very cool. This unboxing video is probably incredibly long.
Yeah. Stay in school, kids. I think that's what we're trying to get across.
Yeah, that's the takeaway here.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. So it's been awesome getting to know everybody on the YouTubes, and me and Daryl certainly appreciate the support, and just really cool people. And this is another example of that. I can't wait to get to the next phase. Go over to Bearded Cat Guitar. I'm going to leave that in the comment section,
Yes.
in the description, so that you guys can go see his unboxing video when he does it. So far he's done sort of the pack up video like I did for his. So there's videos over there, there's videos over here. It's going to be one of these things. That's not a
Together.
It's not a whole bunch
Together.
of scissoring.
Not this, but this.
Yeah.
Not this. This. Stay in school, kids.
Yes, once again, that's the takeaway here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Richard,
I'm Daryl.
and this is the soon-to-be Joker guitar from Kyle. Thanks. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya.
Stay in school.